Today I am going to show the working principle of reciprocating form. Please watch be carefully if you want to understand all parts of this reciprocating form. How does work it? I will show animation and showing this transparency. Just play it and see. Watch be carefully. This is the suction side and this is the delivery side. This is the piston rod and inside this piston and this pulley, this cam pulley and this is the motor pulley. This is the cam mechanism. It will like this camshaft. Now see, actually it is work like this. You can understand easily. I will hide this or all bolt. Just hide bolt. Sorry, just I will hide all this bolt in this. What is reciprocating form and classification there? Reciprocating form is a positive displacement form which convert the mechanical energy into hydraulic energy, like this pressure energy. By suction the liquid into a cylinder in which a piston is reciprocating, which exert that thrust on the liquid and increase its hydraulic energy. This is the flowchart of reciprocating form. There are many parts. I will show these parts within 3D and animation. This is the reciprocating form basic and this form and this form. I will show 3D animation and I will show a video. Just see. This like this reciprocating form. This is the motor and this is the cam. This complete reciprocating form. Now see, this is the reciprocating form. Sometimes is called piston form. If you show this 3D. This like this complete reciprocating farm. Just I will show all parts. This is the main base plate, and this is the base bolt, and there is two part, this down part and upward part. This is the suction line, or another line is this delivery line. This is the suction line and this is the delivery line. I will make another part for this. It will be closed by the blind plate. Now see, this is the belt pulley. For there are cam mechanism in the inner side. This is the motor. If you start the motor, then it will run this. Now see, just now I will disassemble this. Just at first I will hide, just go to this assembly and just go to exploded view. At first I will disassemble the bolt. Just click this bolt and just drag it this is the top side. Now see the inner side. See, this is the top side. Okay, or another side. See, this called ball plate. Just drag it, ball plate. See, this is the ball plate. Just see, this is the ball plate. Okay, this is the ball plate, and this is the main farm shaft. There are shaft or piston, many parts on this. Just click and just hide this. Now see, this is the piston rod. Yeah, see, or if you rotate this, then it will move this linear. Okay, there are, just I click this and just click this transparency. Just see, there was a gland and inner side is this piston. If you rotate this, just see, then it will move this or this. Just I again this transparency, just click hide. Just I hide this both. Now see how does work it. Just see, it's working. Again I will hide this. Just click and hide this. I hide this. Click and hide this. Okay, now you can see this. Now see, it is, I am start this, then it is rotating this linear. Okay, now I animate this. Just go to this motion study and choose this motor. I will apply this motor, will 100 RPM. Just click. Okay, now I calculate this. Now see this animation.